Namaste friends. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. Today we will talk about the dry cough, a short video about dry cough. For more information, please always see the linked video. Dry cough. What is dry cough? No phlegm, continuous irritation, worse at night. This is dry cough. The top homeopathic medicines are Drosera. Drosera works in case of violent spasmodic cough, worse after midnight. Worse after midnight. Always remember, there should be similarity between your problem and the medicine. Rheumax, crispus, dry cough from cold air, tickling in throat. Throat always tickles, then rheumax will come. Spongia tosta, dry cough from cold air, tickling in throat. Briny alba, dry cough with chest pain, better by rest. Phosphorus, dry cough with hoarseness, worse after talking or while talking. Phosphorus has got such type of symptoms. So always make the similarity of the medicine and the similarity of the problem. Medicine selection depends on the individual symptoms. Always consult a qualified physician nearby your place. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hanuman.